Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to begin the addition to the back of my shop. Right now my shop is 48 feet wide and 72 feet long, and we're going to add an additional 36 feet onto the back. We're going to keep the 48 foot wide layout and go 36 more feet out the back. As of right now, I have it planned for 3 completely enclosed walls, both eave sides, and then the back obviously is going to be the current wall that is on the shop. On the front gable side, I think I'm going to leave a 24 foot wide opening. Everything else will be enclosed. Right now we're setting up our batter boards and our string lines so we can make sure everything is perfectly square before we lay out the holes, before we drill them. As you can see, we went 36 feet out from the back of the shop and set up our batter boards and our strings. Right now we're measuring diagonal across. That's how you can tell if you end up with a diamond shape or not. We're making some adjustments to the string lines to make sure that everything is square. After some minor adjustments here, we double and triple check a bunch of times. Now we're ready to drill some holes. The building is going to be traditional pole building style, which is going to be 6 additional posts that we need right now. We'll drill 6 holes for the posts that are going to carry the trusses. We're going to do 2 more in the front, even though these are clear span trusses and they don't need extra support in the middle. Since it is going to stay open and there is going to be just a 24 foot wide opening, we're going to add 2 more posts in the middle just to kind of firm things up. We're drilling our holes 36 inches deep, which gets the post and the concrete around the post below our frost depth. I think our frost depth here is about 26 or 27 inches. So as long as you drill below that and get the bottom of your post below your frost depth, you don't have to worry about the ground freezing and it heaving the post up. Before we set the posts in the hole, I like to use these little 12 by 12 concrete stepping stone blocks for the post to set on in there. It helps to ensure the posts don't sink before the concrete goes in, and it makes sure that we've got something hard all the way around the bottom of the post. The post isn't sitting in dirt. So this is the 6th pole. These are the only 6 posts that are going to hold truss weight. These 2 extra we're doing right now are just going to be extra support in the middle for this outside truss. Laying out all these 2x6s. These are actually the 2x6s that are going to be used for the roof purlins. But I like to have those on site when we're setting the posts because we can screw them together here, 4 on each post, and we can really dial in making sure they're level and plumb while we wait for the concrete truck. So we go around and put 4 of these on each post with just 1 screw in each stick here just to get them supported. Right now we're just throwing them up to get the post out of the side of the hole so they're standing pretty straight up and not leaning on the side of the hole. After we get the last one supported, you'll see we're going to go back around with a level and really fine-tune everything up to the level line. It's really important that your post be flush with your level line all the way around, but also that it is level and plumb straight up and down. As you can see, we're taking the level and walking around and fine-tuning each one. After we get them fine-tuned, we just take a hammer and kind of smack the edges of the board down into the dirt. They don't have to be held very long. We're going to have concrete tomorrow morning, but I like to put these in there, just a little added support. If everything was done correct on our layout, this string here starts on the back corner of the shop now, goes all the way out 36 feet, then across 48 and 36 back to the shop. You want all the edges of the posts flush with that. Ideally, after the concrete's in and we take all the boards down, the dimensions are going to be exactly 48 feet on the outside and 36 to the gable outside from the center of this last post that is currently under these corner trims. We're all finished up. Everything is level and plumb and everything is secured. Should be good for overnight. Tomorrow morning, we're going to have the concrete truck swing by and fill up the holes, and we'll double check, make sure nothing moved, and we'll wait a couple days for them to dry, and we'll take the support boards off. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment below.